before I start making the content on the headliner. Man, I ain't cranked this thing in a long time. Probably wagon. I gotta get these seats out of here. Probably shoot, 3 months, 4 months maybe. So she should crank right up. I got a mess in here because we got a lot of work to do yet. You know what I'm saying? So let's got the key here. I gotta hook my battery up. That's the steering wheel that's coming out. I ain't took it out yet. I may get it out of my way so I can make more room. See what we got here. I probably got a mess. Leave my wrench out here, that way I'll have it. I gotta give me a jug. I guess that they're leaking. I have one for the other truck, or actually all of them, so they still out there. I did change my washer fluid jug though. It was cracked. Come on now. Crank up. Uh-oh, sorry about the finger. I'm trying to hold it, do this on the phone now. Let's give her just a little touch there. Let's see what happens now. Come on now. Holy cow. She hasn't abandoned me yet. Alright, I guess we'll go on with the headliner job. Let her sit here a couple more months, crank her up when it gets real cold. Talk to y'all later.